any delay in release of the honorariums to the cook cum helpers as well.
Meghalaya's implementation of the Prime Minister's Poshan scheme has seen notable successes, though challenges remain, including the use of firewood for cooking in many schools. The state has made progress in releasing timely funds and training over 20,000 cook-cum helpers. Local sourcing of produce for school meals has enhanced nutritional value, with more schools maintaining school nutrition gardens. However, the continued reliance on firewood for cooking remains a major concern, with only 9% of schools using LPG. The government is working on promoting cleaner cooking alternatives and expanding dining spaces for students. Food safety and meal quality have been strengthened through regular inspections and testing.
This PM Poshan scheme is basically a scheme of Government of India. It's a centrally sponsored scheme which provides for meals to be given in government and government aided schools for pre-primary and for the class 1 to 8 students which are there. So basically this has been going on for quite some time, for many years. Earlier it was known as the midday meal scheme. Now it is known as the PM Poshan scheme. So more or less the facilities remain the same. The food grains are provided by the FCI, and we are from the department, from the scheme, the payments are made to FCI, and then cooking costs are provided to the school, using which they buy vegetables, they buy other things which are required for cooking, which is like cooking oil, etc.